So how to fix notes future not showing on Instagram app. Hello guys, in today's short video I'm gonna show you how to fix notes future not showing on your Instagram. So first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone. If you have iOS or Android you can do the same thing. Go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi and then go back, open the apps manager on the settings. After you open the apps page, here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the Instagram app like this, and now this is the app information page. Click here on this force stop and then go down to the storage, click on it, clear the data and clear the cache. After that, go back to the home page, go to Play Store or App Store if you have iOS and search for Instagram, then click here on update if you don't have the latest version. And that's it guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end. See you later, thank you very much.